Our main app is made for the Hands Lab of Leiden University, and it consists of a desktop app made to record signs. You can do that with thumbs up or thumbs down, and you have a list to add your gestures so they can be recorded in a batch. You have detections for hands, pose, and face. You can see your recordings directly through the app, and it connects every camera and gets the recordings as well as able to rename them. You can configure your cameras as the primary if you have multiple cameras connected. You can calibrate them in order to get 3D reconstruction using the depth cameras. And you also have in the settings detection mode for holistic, meaning your whole body. You can have automatic thumb detection to record. You have overlays for every part of your body. For recording, you have different abilities, and of course, debugging settings. This is basically our app, and it's made for, again, the Hands Lab of Leiden University.
Also, to accompany the motion capture kit, we have created the Leiden Mobile Mocap Lab website. This is a platform mainly meant for people to host their own projects along with its documentation, and to host a link to our online community, which is a Discord server. And lastly, we have created a creative project using the motion kit to really display the wide range of possibilities with this kit. So a short explanation as to how it works. The fingertips of the hand are trailed by these color trails, which can change color depending on the velocity. Then at the end, when the user presses the spacebar again, this painting of the trails is left behind.